Xbox Cloud Gaming Beta is awesome. It truly gives you, the player, the ability to play any game that you want, wherever you want, with whomever you want, on almost any device that you already own. Whether it's a mobile phone with 2 screens or a mobile phone with a single screen and you can get a clip with a Bluetooth controller, or your existing laptop, it doesn't matter. We want you to be able to play the games anywhere. But our friends at Logitech have figured out a way to truly make a cloud gaming handheld, and this, ladies and gentlemen, is the Logitech G Cloud. Hi, I'm Tony Hannity, Xbox Master Trainer for Expert Zone here in the US, and we're gonna unbox this guy. So before we do that, let's go ahead and take a look at the box itself. So right on the front here, it says, keep playing. Obviously, that's their verbiage, but it's very similar to Xbox's mantra of being able to play anywhere that you are. This is the cloud gaming handheld. And on the bottom side, it says well, not all, but most of the important specs of the things that you want to know. So for example, you've got your Wi-Fi connectivity or Bluetooth. So that means you can either connect directly to Wi-Fi or use your own phone as a hotspot if there's no Wi-Fi around you. Display is a 7-inch IPS multi-touch screen display. So it is touchscreen, 1920 by 1080 full HD at 60 Hertz, so 60 frames per second. And audio, you actually have dual microphone and dual speakers on this, and a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. If you're listening to the game and you don't want anyone else being bothered with it, you can plug in your headphones if you prefer. And it does have a 6,000 milliamp hour battery, charges via USB Type-C, and powered by Android. So this is very similar to something like the Surface Duo 2, where this is an Android device, but you can download the Xbox app and play Xbox Cloud Gaming Beta games through that. But this has its own kind of Android Logitech interface. So we'll go ahead and take a look at that. But I do need some scissors to open this up. So we're gonna steal my fiance's scissors from her crafting desk. Don't tell her. This is the first time I'm opening it, so I'm very excited. Let's go ahead and get this going. Ooh, okay, all right. Oh wow, this is nice. I don't know why I thought this was gonna be smaller or something. This is very nice. It's very nicely weighted, very well designed, white all the way around. You've got your black accents in the front here, volume rocker, L1, L2, R1, R2. I mean, those can be used for your bumpers and your triggers and whatnot. The layout of the analog sticks is Xbox layout, which is nice. Then you've got your standard D-pad and ABXY buttons. All right, very cool. Oh, and I got it. Can we get the camera? We'll get the camera in. We'll get the camera in. We're doing it. We're doing it. Ah, so nice. So nice. Can I get a screen protector, please? Okay, before we continue on with the actual device, let's take a look and see if there's anything else in the box itself. We do have some documentation as well as your USB Type-C cable. It's USB Type-C on one end and USB Type-A on the other, so you can plug it into your standard USB Type-A jack, whether it's going into a brick into the wall or into your computer or even into your Xbox. That's kind of cool, a little bit of Xbox inception there. And then on the other side here, what is this? What's this? Oh, okay. Remember when I said that you could plug it into a brick? It comes with a brick. Thank you, very nice. Nicely done, Logitech. Is there anything else? No? Maybe some documentation? A little bit of documentation? I see documentation. Okay, so the on switch is an actual switch. That's quite nice. Do I hold it down? Let me hold it down. Usually you hold it down. There we go. Logitech G. The Logitech G Cloud, powered by Android. Very nice. Very, very cool. Hi there. Okay, so this is a standard Android setup. I'm gonna speed this part up so you guys don't have to worry and follow along or see my password, but let's cut to after I finish all the setup part of it, because it's a basic Android setup. Well, ladies and gentlemen, after signing in with my Google account and my Xbox account, we are now fully logged in to play Xbox Cloud Gaming Beta games. And I mean, you can do it all. You by now, hopefully you're aware of the games that you're able to play through Xbox Cloud Gaming Beta. If you are not, it's a lot. It's over 100 games. We've got Halo Infinite, Fortnite, Immortality, F1 2021, Forza Horizon 5, and so much more. Far Cry, Medieval Dynasty, Backbone? Wow, Backbone was a lot of fun. We did do a stream on Backbone. Need for Speed Heat. I mean, the list goes on and on. But seeing as this is an Xbox video, we're gonna go ahead and do an Xbox game. And we're gonna do one of my favorites, and that is, of course, Forza Horizon 5. This is all going through Xbox Cloud Gaming Beta. That means nothing is stored on this device whatsoever. It's all through the cloud. There's a data center somewhere over there or over there where there's an actual Xbox Series X in blades, in servers that I'm playing off of. However, if you prefer to play your games and they're not on Game Pass, they're not in the Xbox Cloud Gaming library, you can still do that with Remote Play with the Logitech G Cloud. And that's another built-in service that everyone who owns an Xbox has access to. And essentially, you are using your own Xbox remotely. So your Xbox turns on, you play your own games, you have your own saves, you play with your own friends, and everything basically acts the same, except you're on this device. Oh, look at that. Whew. Forza Horizon 5. The controls do take a little bit getting used to, but they are fundamentally the same controls and the same setup that you have with a regular controller. Ooh, if you folks haven't seen the Hot Wheels DLC, here it is. We actually did a whole video explaining the Hot Wheels DLC, the history of the Hot Wheels DLC that has been with us since Forza Horizon 5. I love it. I love it so much. Now, this is Xbox Cloud Gaming Beta, and it does let you play with your friends, but it also lets you chat with your friends. So you can start a party chat just as easy it would be if you're on a console. Just hit the Nexus button, scroll to your friends, start a party, join a party if you'd like, and voila, you're ready to go. I just love how slick this is, how beautiful it is overall. I think it's great that Microsoft is working with its partners such as Logitech to come out with products such as this, because there are going to be instances where using your own phone just isn't an option. Maybe for whatever reason you need to be on call, you need to have your email all the time and not have any other interruptions on your phone, but you still want to do that one F1 race or something like that. This is a solution, and I think this is a beautiful and simple solution. I mean, everything very tactile, very nice, touchscreen. Overall, I'm impressed. So if you have any other questions or comments, let us know in the comment section down below. At the time of recording this video, this particular device, at the top of my head, don't know exactly what the price is. According to the Microsoft website, we have listed the Logitech G Cloud Gaming Handheld for $299 and available on the 18th of October. So if that's still the case, kudos, awesome. Now you know the price and you know when you'll be able to get it. But I think this is a tremendous solution if the other solutions just are not viable for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this with your friends and family. We're also on multiple social media platforms like TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and we have our own podcast. Plus, we stream here on YouTube and over on Twitch, Easy Encore. Hopefully we'll see you there live in the chat. And until the next time, take care of yourselves and each other. I'm gonna keep playing games. Bye.